Shosho mfethu rosesibona ishasha uphara umthakathi is back with their good news singenza kwethu ezithinda abukufika abahambile basekana ukuthi uthole i-call. Listen, uthole i-call asinganda khona ngamagama asintedeze ngenza ukuthi khona nizobona ukuthi kulento yokuthiwa abukufika bathi ukuthi shwi ikhona into enhle ngayo. There's something beautiful behind this. Trust me.
South Africa. Bafowethu niyangazi mina ukuthi ngikhuliswe ngothando, niyangazi ukuthi ngikhuliswe ngobudoda. Ngikhuliswe ngokuthi kufanele sinakekele amagceke, kufanele sinakekele imizi, kufanele sinakekele izingane zethu, kufanele sinakekele abafazi bethu. Bafowethu ngoba ningibona ngichathamba nje ebusweni, njoba ningibona ngijabule, ningibona ngigcwele uthando, sengijatshuliswa into ikhole ngiqeda ukuyithola manje. Ufonelwa umuntu owumama waseGhana, uthi umuntu owumama waseGhana, ngane yami siyabonga. Ubaba wala ekhaya uneminyaka e11 ahamba la ekhaya. Sizwa kuthiwa nguwe eSouth Africa olwayo ukuthi akulunga izwe lenu. Ngenxa yokulungisa izwe lakho, mina ubaba weingane zami usebuyile wangishiya ngikhulelwe la ekhaya, namhlanje uyabuya, ngiyabonga. Bafowethu ayikho into eyolunga la emhlabeni ngaphandle ukuthi sisukume sibe ngamadoda. Ayikho into eyolungisa iAfrica, my African brothers. Nothing will fix Africa until we stand up as African and make our leaders account to us as voters. Every African country, men must stand up. Men must stand up in that country and fight for that country and hold that government accountable and make sure that Africa will unite. While all these other countries are not doing anything, South Africa is doing something. So they must copy the style and do what we do. Thank you.